asinqobi ezinye izinto ezinye singazinqobi kodwa sizinqoba zonke izinto. Sanibonani bazalwane, uma uke wamukela uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi, there will be things there will be things at work, there will be things in the family, there will be things in your community, there will be things in your business, there will be things in your relations, but we conquer all. Usho ukuthi akukho ke okuvumelekile ukuba kunqobe owathandwa. Ayikho into that is legally accepted ukuthi it can conquer you. Diseases in your lineage they are not allowed that they can conquer you ngoba owathandwa unqoba zonke lezi bazalwane. Kusho ukuthi kuba izinto bese kuba owathandwa. Manje ke mangithi ke zonke lezi zinto ke khona ezakho mina engingazazi ezaziwa wena ukuthi sifuna ukukunqoba. Namhlanje kuseni ngicela ukukwazisa azivumelekanga. It is illegal